Okay, hi. I am about to leave for Universal Hollywood to do a little bit of Christmas shopping for my sister Joyce. Every year we kind of put together Christmas boxes for each other, and usually it's filled with fandom related things or Disney things, Harry Potter things, and slowly I kind of collect them over time, and then I package it all up and I send it to her. So hopefully, Joyce, you're not watching this, or maybe I will let you watch it, but I'll take out all of the stuff that I actually do get you, and this is just kind of a teaser for you. But they just started the whole holiday season at Universal, so I'm excited to see that. I mean, Hogwarts and Hogsmeade always looks like it's in the middle of winter anyway, but it'll be nice to see all the holiday decorations and see all of that stuff happening. So that's kind of where I'm off today, but also starting off a little bit at home to kind of show you what my Christmas tree looks like and kind of what my cat is doing at the moment, because Joyce sent over the Trader Joe's cat advent calendar, and she actually mailed it all the way from New Jersey, so it didn't really survive the mail trip through the post office. But Izzy, my cat, she doesn't care. I mean, she will literally eat plastic. So, any treat for her is good news. So let me show you first my tree. This is an ornament that my friend Carson got me. He's going to be appearing in the Thanksgiving Disney vlog series coming up soon, but he knows I love Alice in Wonderland, so he got me this ornament. Thanks, Carson. This was sent by, I think, my mother-in-law. She knows I really like Doctor Who, so she sent along some ornaments, which is really nice. A lot of these ornaments I kind of picked up along the way. We lived in Rhode Island and in the Boston area, and so picking up things from random shops as we went. Here is a Hogwarts ornament, so nice. Hello Kitty ornament. Here's some of my Disney stuff. There's Alice. This is this year's ornament. We always pick out one ornament, and this guy was from Target. Alan really likes Yetis, so we brought him home. And I've got Tink up here. And I've got the Cheshire Cat and Jessie. And following kind of the sci-fi, here is my Star Trek Enterprise Next Generation ornament. I've got BB-8 here. My sister also sent me as a joke, even though I don't know if she's seen this episode, but she knows I like Doctor Who, and maybe she did see the episode. It's the scariest episode of all time. It's Blink, Don't Blink, and the Weeping Angels. So here's one of them. This is the Weeping Angel that's not looking at you, and then of course there's the corresponding one of the Weeping Angel that is looking or coming at you, which is really freaky. So she likes to scare me, so that's what she sent me. That yeah, and this is the ornament that we got this year for Disney. So we get one Disney ornament and one non-Disney ornament every year, and we pick them out. And this is our Disney ornament. It's super fluffy, and it's got a little bell, and it's so cute. We also choose ornaments that are not breakable. So all the baubles and things, they're all made out of plastic, because we have a cat who likes to, push things off and make messes. So we make sure that everything is non-breakable. So that's why we chose that Disney ornament, mainly because it was non-breakable. This was our Disney ornament last year. I love this one, the 2018 Chippendale. So we have a lot of Chippendale ornaments. This is one I got last year. Carson has the same one. We spent hours going through and looking at all the different versions of this to make sure that it was nice and well painted, and it's actually felted, so they're fuzzy, so you can feel them. It's really cute. Yeah, so that's my tree. And here's the kitty advent calendar, a little worse for wear. It totally got crushed in the mail. But we've been going through it, and so far Izzy has been loving every single treat. This is Alan's Reese's Pieces advent calendar, and I have a marzipan one there under the tree, and so far Izzy's been loving it. She actually gets really cranky in the morning if I don't give her the advent calendar treat. It's only been like 5 days, but she's already totally in the habit of it and expects it of me and follows me around and meows at me until I give it to her. So there's that. Speaking of Izzy, here she is. She's a little bit of, well, she's very cat, let me say. Don't be deceived by her fluffiness and her cuteness. She kind of doesn't like to snuggle, even though she has the softest fur. She likes everything on her own terms and tends to kind of be a bit of a, well, you know, very catty. Let's put it that way. Oh, not attractive, Izzy, not attractive. Okay, so come along with me to Universal. We'll check out the castle, check out how things are going there at Hogsmeade. I might have a little bit of lunch, but we are gonna go check out what holiday goodies I can find for Joyce in this trip. All right, let's go. the Three Broomsticks. I've already done a little bit of shopping for Joyce. It'll be a surprise as to what it is. You have to wait until Joyce unboxes them. But in the meantime, I stopped for some lunch at the Three Broomsticks. Now they have all their holiday food out right now. So they have a prime rib dinner special, but they also have their holiday English holiday platter, which I'm excited about, which is basically like a turkey dinner. So let me show you what it looks like. Here's the English holiday dinner. You've got some cranberry sauce and turkey, Brussels sprouts and carrots. There's a bacon wrapped sausage, and then there's turkey with gravy and some stuffing in the middle, which looks actually really good. So I am excited about that. And then just because I figure I'm here, why not have some holiday goodies? I also got the chocolate trifle, which looks really good. There's some strawberries hiding underneath there, and you've got some really good whipped cream. So this is what I want to have for lunch. And then I'll do a little bit more walking around thinking of things I can get Joyce, but I definitely want to get some more Disney stuff for Joyce. And we're going back to Disney on Monday to meet up with some friends for dinner in downtown Disney. So we're gonna do, Alan has the day off that day, so we're gonna do some more Disney holiday stuff. I'll be thinking of you, Carson and Alex, so I'm sad you're not here to go back with us, but I'm kind of wondering if I should bring my lightsaber back just because I want to take photos in front of the Millennium Falcon, and I haven't done that yet. But it's a bit big and it's a little heavy to carry around, so I might not do that, and I might just save it for when I go just at night, because I think the nighttime shots with the lightsabers look amazing, and we didn't get to do it that weekend because it was just raining too hard, and so we were just like, nah, let's not make our lives that much harder. So I'm gonna finish this and I will get back to you with more Hogwarts holiday magic. Okay, I am done shopping for Joyce. I got a couple of extra things. I'm about to go home and check out some other things at probably the other parts of the park. The frog choir is just starting to sing now and it's getting really loud, so I'm gonna leave soon. Okay, so I'm saying goodbye from Universal. I showed you tons of stuff in the shops. See if you can guess what I got for Joyce. There were a few things that I did get and a few things that I kind of skipped on because, well, there's always next year. Alright, see if you can guess what I got for Joyce. And Joyce, be surprised when you get the box. Bye!